What a band, The Beat. Before that, Orange Street Madness. Great tune, Madness, Orange Street, The Prince. Before they sold out to pop. And they're doing a live stream over the weekend, which is also quite good. If you like Madness, of course. Very good evening to my very good friend Mick Goodread. Good to see you in the show, pal. And yes, Gaza, thank you everybody for coming back this week, because last Friday was just technically a disaster, and I'm so sorry I couldn't continue, but I seem to have sorted it at the moment, and I hope I've not spoke too soon. We're on till 11 o'clock, everybody, and it's looking pretty good at the moment. So staying with the requests here on the Soul Train, and I'm going to hand you to this. Just a little bit of two-tone and a little bit of reggae as well, just for the next 10-15 minutes. Why not, indeed? Let's hand you to this one.
Out of bed at 8 a.m, out my head by 10:30. Out with mates and dates and friends, that's what I do at weekends. I can't talk and I can't walk, but I know where I'm going to go. I'm going to watch my money go at the Locarno, no. When my feet go through the door, I know what my right arm is for. Buy a drink and pull a chair up to the edge of the dance floor. Bouncers bouncing through the night, trying to stop or start a fight. I sit and watch the flashing lights, moving legs in footless tights. I go out on Friday night and I come home on Saturday morning. I go out on Friday night and I come home on Saturday morning. I like to venture into town, I like to get a few drinks down. The floor gets packed, the bar gets full. I don't like life when things get dull. The hen party have saved the night and freed themselves from drunken stags, having fun and dancing in a circle round their leather bags. I go out on Friday night and I come home on Saturday morning. I go out on Friday night and I come home on Saturday morning. But 2 o'clock has come again. It's time to leave this paradise. Hope the chip shop isn't closed, 'cause their pies are really nice. I'll eat it in the taxi queue.
Creators of Two Tone, the Specials, they are the best, aren't they? A very good evening to Julie Hurley, all the way down there in Dawlish. Good to see you, indeed. It's always nice to have your company, Julie. And so at least we've got two girls in the house now. We've got Sam and we've got Julie. Hopefully Jay might join us later, you never know, do you? So just a little bit of a two-tone reggae section, and then we'll carry on with all kinds of stuff. And looking forward to all of your requests, okay? Let's hand you to this now. This album on its 40th anniversary is flying up the charts. It's number 24 in the charts at the moment, and that's very good considering it's 40 years old. And it's number one in other sections as well. So let's hand you to this now. Wow. 40 years is a bit scary, and I was 19 and just a slip of a lad then. I think I was about 8 stone wet, and I was straight out in 1979 with the Specials, just brilliant. Got the tonic suit, the loafers, the white shoes, the trilby, just great times. Coventry was buzzing. Well, it was a bit, all kinds of stuff was going on. But that was just fantastic. I loved it. And all the discos around the city. I'm sure around the country was all the same. But being in the hub of it in Coventry, it just seemed to be, I don't know, maybe a bit better. But yeah, I'm very lucky I've not aged at all in that 40 years. So quite fortunate, really. So let's hand you to this now. And it is Bad Manners. Any Lorraines out there? Lorraine?